Have you ever wondered why some people effortlessly attract others, why some struggle to make connections? The secret isn't in looks, wealth, or status. It's in the way they interact. Whether you want to make new friends, improve relationships, or just be more likable, there are simple psychological tricks that can help. In this video, I'll share proven techniques to make people genuinely like you. So let's dive in. One of the most powerful ways to make people like you is by showing genuine interest in them. People love to feel valued and heard, and when you make them the focus of the conversation, they naturally feel more connected to you. Instead of just waiting for your turn to speak, actively listen to what they are saying. Ask follow-up questions that show you are paying attention, such as, "That sounds interesting. How did you get into that?" Or, "Tell me more about it." Another key aspect is remembering small details about them. If someone tells you they have an important meeting next week, follow up by asking how it went. This simple gesture makes them feel important and appreciated. Avoid making the conversation all about yourself. While sharing your own experiences is fine, try to focus on the other person more. Let them talk about their interests, passions, and opinions. The more you make someone feel heard and understood, the more they will enjoy being around you. In short, if you want people to like you, make them feel important. Show that you genuinely care, and they will naturally be drawn to your presence. People love to talk about themselves, but very few take the time to truly listen. If you want others to like you, become a great listener. This doesn't just mean staying quiet while they speak. It means actively engaging in the conversation. When some talks, give them your full attention. Avoid interrupting or thinking about what you will say next. Instead, focus on their words, make eye contact, and nod to show that you are listening. You can also say things like, "That makes sense," or "I understand what you mean," to make them feel heard. A great trick is to repeat or summarize what they said. For example, if they tell you about a difficult day at work, you can say, "It sounds like that was really stressful for you." This makes them feel understood and valued. Being a good listener also means responding with interest. Ask follow-up questions like, "What happened next?" or "How did you feel about that?" This keeps the conversation flowing and shows you genuinely care. When people feel truly listened to, they feel respected and comfortable around you. And when they feel good in your presence, they will naturally like you more. A simple smile can make a big difference in how people see you. When you smile, you appear friendly, warm, and approachable. People naturally feel more comfortable around those who smile because it gives off positive energy. A genuine smile shows that you are happy to be with them, and in return, they will feel good about being around you. Besides smiling, maintaining a positive attitude is also important. No one likes being around someone who constantly complains or spreads negativity. Instead, try to focus on the good things in life. Speak with enthusiasm, appreciate small moments, and find solutions instead of just talking about problems. Positive energy is contagious. When you bring it into a conversation, others will enjoy your company more. Your body language also plays a big role. Stand or sit with an open posture, make eye contact, and avoid crossing your arms, as this can make you look closed off. Smiling and staying positive doesn't mean you have to fake happiness. Just try to focus on good things. Be kind and enjoy the moment. When you make people feel happy around you, they will naturally like and want to spend more time with you. A person's name is one of the sweetest words they can hear. When you use someone's name in a conversation, it makes them feel important and valued. It shows that you remember them and care about them as an individual. For example, instead of just saying, "Hey, how are you?" say, "Hey Alex, how are you?" This small change makes a big difference. It makes the conversation feel more personal and warm. When people hear their name, they naturally pay more attention and feel a stronger connection with you. Using names is especially helpful when meeting new people. If you meet someone for the first time, try to repeat their name a few times in the conversation. For example, "Nice to meet you, Sarah," or "So John, what do you do for work?" This helps you remember their name and makes them feel special. However, don't overuse their names, as it might sound unnatural. Use it naturally in conversations and they will appreciate it. By simply remembering and using people's names, you create a deeper bond. It makes them feel recognized, and as a result, they will like and respect you more. People naturally connect with those who share similar interests, hobbies, or experiences. When you find something in common with someone, it creates an instant bond and makes conversations more enjoyable. For example, if you both love reading, traveling, or fitness, talking about these topics will make the conversation feel effortless. Even small things like enjoying the same type of music or movies can help you connect. Common interests make people feel like they belong and relate to you. To discover shared interests, ask open-ended questions like, "What do you enjoy doing in your free time?" or "Have you watched any good movies recently?" Listen listen carefully to their responses and look for things you both like. If you don't have much in common, show curiosity about their interest. Sometimes being open to learning about new things can also strengthen a connection. Having shared interest makes friendships and relationships stronger. It gives you something to talk about and enjoy together. When people feel a connection, they are more likely to like you and want to spend time with you. So always look for common ground. It's a simple yet powerful way to build great relationships. Everyone likes to feel appreciated, and a sincere compliment can make someone stay. When you give people genuine compliments, they feel valued and respected. This helps build strong and positive relationships. The key is to be honest and specific. Instead of saying you are great, say I really admire how confidently you speak in front of people. A specific compliment feels more meaningful and shows that you truly noticed something about them. Compliments don't have to be about looks. While saying you have a nice smile is good, deeper compliments about personality, skills, or efforts are even better. For example, you always stay calm under pressure. That's really impressive. People appreciate when you notice their strengths. However, don't overdo it. If you give too many compliments, they may sound fake. The best compliments are those that come naturally and at the right moment. Also, avoid flattery. Just to get someone to like you, people can sense when a compliment isn't genuine. By appreciating people sincerely, you make them feel good about themselves, and when they feel good around you, they will naturally enjoy your company and like you more. Kindness is one of the most powerful ways to make people like you. When you are kind and helpful, people feel comfortable around you and appreciate your presence. Small acts of kindness can create a big impact and leave a lasting impression. Being kind doesn't mean you have to do something big. Simple things like holding the door for someone, offering a smile, or helping a friend with a small task can make a big difference. Even just listening when someone needs to talk can show that you care. Helping others without expecting anything in return makes you a genuine good person. When you support others in their time of need, they will remember your kindness and respect you more. Whether it's giving advice, encouraging someone, or helping with a problem, your efforts will build strong and meaningful relationships. However, kindness should always be real. Don't be nice just to impress people. Do it because you truly want to help. People can sense when kindness is fake, so always be genuine. When you are consistently kind and helpful, people will naturally enjoy being around you. They will see you as a positive and trustworthy person, making them like you even more. Mirroring body language is a simple but powerful way to build a connection with someone. It means subtly copying the way they sit, stand, or move during a conversation. When done naturally, it makes people feel comfortable and understood. For example, if the person you are talking to leans forward slightly, you can do the same. If they use hand gestures while speaking, you can also use some gestures. This creates a sense of similarity and makes them feel like you are on the same wavelength. Mirroring also applies to tone and speed of speech. If someone speaks softly and slowly, responding in a similar way can make the conversation feel more natural. However, if they are energetic and expressive, matching their enthusiasm can make them feel more connected to you. The key is to keep it natural and subtle. If you copy someone too obviously, it can feel awkward or forced. The goal is to create harmony in the conversation without making it look like an act. When you mirror someone's body language naturally, they subconsciously feel more comfortable around you. This makes them like and trust you more, leading to better conversations and stronger relationships. Building good relationships isn't about tricks or manipulation. It's about making feel valued, understood, and comfortable around you. By showing genuine interest, being a good listener, staying positive, and using these simple techniques, you can naturally attract and connect with others. Now it's your turn. Which of these tips will you try first? Let me know in the comments. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insights on self-improvement and communication. Thanks for watching, and as always, stay curious, keep learning.